Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Redmi phone setting guys. And today video title guys, how to use dual apps in Redmi mobile. Friends, you want to use dual apps. Friends, you can see I have dual Moj app. Friends, you can see same Moj app here, same Moj app is here. So when dual app friends you want to use on your Redmi mobile, then how to use one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Open your phone setting friends. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Redmi mobile. Friends, on your Redmi mobile friends, click your app setting. After on app setting friends, you can see dual app setting. Friends, already friends I have these 5 dual apps, and friends you want to enable a dual app, so friends right click and friends you can enable dual app. Friends, you can see Netflix friends I will on Amazon app, and friends Google News app friends I will use. So friends, come back friends, you can see I have two Netflix apps. Friends, you can see two Netflix, first Netflix app, second dual Netflix app, dual apps. So friends, you will have to log in, you will have to sign in your password ID. So like that friends, you can use two apps. And friends, you can see Google News and guys second Google News dual app, Google News. So like that friends, you can use dual apps on your Redmi mobile. And friends, you don't want to use dual apps, open your phone setting, and friends you want to disable your dual apps, you don't want to use guys, one by one you can disable, install one by one friends, you can disable your dual apps in your Redmi mobile. Okay option, app disable. So like that friends, we can use dual app setting and we can install dual app in Redmi mobile. So bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to disable dual apps in Redmi mobile and how to dual app. So bye friends, thanks for watching.